in Milwaukee. Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7:30 p.m. At 6:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Slinger to 7 miles north of Lac La Belle to near Waterloo, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watertown, Hartford, Horicon, Juneau, Hustisford, Iron Ridge, Ashipon, Rubicon, Lebanon, Woodland, Reedsville, Neosho, Richwood, Clyman, Lowell, Danville, and Leipzig. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.